How to open an HDFC Bank account online. First of all, go to the official HDFC Bank website at www.hdfcbank.com. Once you are on the home page, click on the option labeled Select Product Type under the section Personal Banking Services. What are you looking for? Then choose Accounts. Next, select a specific account type you wish to open. You can choose from saving accounts, salary accounts, or others depending on a requirement. Here I am choosing a savings account. After selecting, click on Apply Now to begin the application process. Then, fill out the online form with your personal details such as full name, mobile number, email ID, PAN card, and Aadhaar card. Make sure all the information is accurate before proceeding. After that, you will need to complete the eKYC process. This may include OTP verification using your Aadhaar linked mobile number and in some cases, a short video KYC with a bank representative. Once your KYC is verified, your account will be created and you will receive your account number and customer ID on a registered email and phone number. And that's it. Now you know how to open an HDFC Bank account online. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.